Ciao guys, today I'm going to show you my latest advancements on the Fifie Amati. You have probably already seen my last video where I was showing you how to apply the first layers of plank to cover the hull. Today I've completed the second layer. The application of the second layer is pretty much the same as the first one, so if you missed my other video, I'll leave you the description up here and in the description of this video. As the planks of the second layer needs to be as tight as possible, I noticed that the pins I was using were leaving holes on the plank side because of the pin pushing the plank up to the other one, and in some cases it was also piercing or damaging the plank. It's not a big deal as I'm using a 2mm plank, so it will be sanded down. Finally, for filling the holes, we just need to use the technique we saw on the whaleboat planking video. A bit of white glue in the hole and we cover it with wood sand we spared during the sanding process. This might not occur when using walnut wood, as you know I prefer working with lime wood. Solve this problem, I started using the pin together with a shaped piece of wood. The only problem here is that if you are in a curved spot, the pin doesn't push the plank down properly. This can be solved by compensating the slope. I cut the excess of planks on stern and bow using my Dremel, and then I finish it with a file. I'm going to apply the keel more or less like shown in the instruction after sanding the hull. As I didn't follow the instruction at the beginning of this process, I used this tool for shaping the keel on bow and stern at best. So as you noticed, I'm not following the Amati instructions step by step. In this case, I find that it's better to apply the keel after sanding the second planking. In this way, in fact, I didn't have to bother with the length of the planks. So let's get to work and see how I apply the keel. I decided to move the sleeve of the propeller shaft slightly backward compared to the plans, so I highly advise you not to take inspiration from the Amati plans. I think it won't be easy to seal everything if you follow the instruction this way. Before gluing the keel, I need to adapt the two pieces by creating the seat for the propeller sleeve. I hope you guys enjoyed this new video on how to build the Amati Fifie from scratch. If you did, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.